Hello everybody, a couple days ago I released the full release version of the Dayz loot editor. So today I just wanted to make a quick video on Zero to Hero. So I just rented a brand new Nitrado server. You guys can see it's just still getting set up right now. So I'm going to go online, I'm going to download the Dayz loot editor, I'm going to make a loadout, I'm going to show you how to upload it to your Nitrado server, Zero to Hero, just like you guys would do, just to show you that it works. There's been a lot of people commenting saying it's not working for them. It may be my program. I'm not 100% sure. There definitely was some bugs that I ironed out with the release, so now they should be gone. The release fixed a lot of bugs, but it also just could have been people making loadouts. Dayz's very picky with loadouts. I've said in previous videos. Some things that you can place in your inventory in certain places, it just doesn't like when you spawn with it. For instance, the game does not like when you try and put a shovel or a sword onto your shoulder slot when you spawn. Even though you know it can go there, it's still just really finicky. It causes bugs sometimes, stuff like that. So let's get right into it, guys. So the video that I'm going to release is going to look exactly like this. This is the release for the beta. Down here we have links to the GitHub and we have links directly to the download. So if you are a coder, you want to go to GitHub, feel free, head over there, check out the source code, anything like that. If you're just a regular Joe, you don't care about the code, you just want to get into writing some loadouts, you can click on the direct link to the Mega. So when we come to the Mega, we're going to download everything here as a zip file. So once it's downloaded, we can head to the desktop. There's something I want to mention, guys. Sometimes Windows Defender flags my program as a virus. It's not a virus. You can go check out the source code yourself. When I've been trialing this, sometimes it flags it, sometimes it doesn't. I'm going to submit a report to Microsoft and try and get them to stop flagging it. So I'm going to try it here, and it didn't flag this time. So sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't. But like I said, all the source code for this, guys, is on GitHub. I can guarantee you that it's not a virus. So we're going to start up the program. I'm just going to make a full loadout. I might speed through this just so I don't waste your guys' time, but I'll make myself a full loadout. So now my JSON is created, so I'll have to go find that folder where I put the JSON in. This was the one that I just created, so inside, that's the JSON that we just made. So now we're going to head over to the Nitrado server. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your server page. I'm going to change the server name just so I can find it. You have to click the enable custom JSON. Enable CFG gameplay JSON, that needs to be on. We're going to save the changes. Next thing we're going to do is go to our file browser. Head into Dayz missions. And we need to edit our CFG gameplay JSON. So we need to add a line of code in here. And it's going to go right after the disable personal light. So in quotations, we're going to put spawn gear preset files. And this is an array for those of you that know JSON. So in here we can have multiple different files. So I named mine my loadout.json. That was the name of my file that I named. There's just one, and to get to this folder, we're going to upload it in a second here, but it's going to be in the custom folder. and then add a slash. So that allows you to actually go in there and find that. Next thing we're going to do is save the changes, head back out into our main folder, click on the gameplay JSON again, just come in just to make sure that it's saved properly. So we got our line of code here that's been added properly. I don't like modifying code on Nitrado, but it can be done. Go into our custom folder here up at the top, and we are going to upload the file that we made. So myloadout.json, that was the file that we made together, and that's been uploaded. Perfect. And now we can restart our server. Now I'm over here on the Nitrado server. You guys can see I got the server name typed in that I created. We're going to do a login here and check to make sure this JSON worked. And there we have it. Loadout was created successfully. I hope this program helps you guys out with your modded servers. Just got a couple more words about the false flag on the antivirus next. It's the first time it's happened to me today. I'm suspecting it's just because I switched to Windows Defender, but I had to run it through some tests online to figure out why it was happening. So I mentioned earlier, guys, I got a false flag from my antivirus on the release. I just switched antiviruses from Bitdefender to Windows Security, and it's the first time it's happened to me. So I uploaded my exe from the release to this website, which tells you if an antivirus is going to flag it or not. Pretty much every single antivirus says it's good to go, except for these two, and I'm assuming Windows is in the same boat. Like I said, it's the first time it's happened to me, so if you guys run into this problem, I'd really appreciate it if you let me know in the comments if you got this false flag and which antivirus you're using. I'm going to submit a report to Windows on false positives and try and get it sorted out, but I'd really appreciate the help. Till next time, guys, happy coding.